tonight. A silver plane takes flight tonight. With every mile, the worries fade. In this cocoon, our hearts cascade.
With clouds beneath, like cotton candy dreams, we're sailing high on whispered schemes. Your laughter dances in the air, so sweet as the world below fades to our heartbeat. So let's fly away on wings of comfort. In this moment lost to time and thunder, champagne bubbles lift us higher still. In cafe's embrace, we found our thrill.
The city lights slip into dusk's embrace. Every glance at you feels like a race. Soft pillows cradle us through starry nights. Together we weave our love in these heights.
And as the sun dips low beyond horizons wide, I see forever when I look in your eyes. This journey shared is where we belong. Two souls entwined in melody strong. So let's fly away on wings of comfort. In this moment lost to time and thunder, champagne bubbles lift us higher still. In cafe's embrace, we found our thrill.